Another condolence message from the President, condolence message for Major General Mayiik Michar Deng. It reads, I am deeply saddened by the death of Major General Mayiik Michar Deng, which took place here in Juba on April 23, 2021. With heavy heart, I convey my deep sympathies to his family, Ruin community, and his colleagues in South Sudan People's Defense Forces SSPDF. General Mayiik was not only a veteran freedom fighter, he was among the Battalion 105 soldiers who fired the first bullet in war in 1983. Their heroic and selfless act launched the Sudan's People Liberation Movement /Army, SPLM-SPLA. Major General Mayiik Michar was born in Wunkur village in Aling in Ruing administrative area in 1952. He attended Panyang Primary School in 1964. His studies were interrupted when his relatives were killed by Sudanese army in 1967 on flimsy accusation of supporting the Anyanya One. Those killings prompted General Mayiik to join Anyanya One. After the signing of Addis Ababa Peace Agreement, he was integrated into Sudanese Army and posted to Battalion 105 in Malwal Chat in Bor. In May 1983, General Mayiik, along with his Battalion 105 colleagues, mutinied in Bor and marched to Ethiopia. He saw action in Malwal Gaoth in the same year. In 1985, he attended the then SPLA School of Revolutionary War Studies in Bonga, and upon graduation he was commissioned as first lieutenant and deployed in Western Upper Nile with Gol Battalion under the command of Dr. Riek Machar at the rank of captain. He was moved to Northern Upper Nile, specifically with Zajan Battalion in 1989, where he served under Lam Makol. His most significant assignment came in 1990-1991 when he took charge of forces in Parian area, where he gallantly defended the civil population of the annihilation. What is notable about this act was that General Mayiik fulfilled his duties in defending the people while he was isolated and odds stacked against his forces. After the signing of the Comprehensive Peace Agreement, General Mayiik served in various divisions. He was added to the reserve list in 2019 and subsequently appointed as advisor for peace and security by the then ruling state government. We are all called upon to remember and celebrate General Mayiik's heroic military achievements in the mourning period. Let us all take inspiration from his accomplishments and try to emulate his selfless work as we continue to tackle the challenges facing our country. I pray to God that the Almighty rest his soul in eternal peace and give us comfort we need to cope with the immense loss. With my deepest sympathies, signed Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, Juba.